In this video, I'll introduce you to MISTEL X-VIII, which features our Tactile Cherry MX clear switches. This switch variant isn't reasonably as expected, so stay tuned to find out how they feel. The MISTEL X-VIII keyboard comes in a wired variant with a detachable USB-C cable like this one, and as a version with Bluetooth for simultaneous wireless connectivity to up to 3 devices. The Taiwanese manufacturer also offers 2 other color combinations besides this glazed blue color, namely Gloaming and Bumblebee. You can check them out on the manufacturer's website, just head down to our video description below. While MISTEL takes a more classic approach to the overall design of the X-VIII, the two-tone keycap design adds some flashiness. These are sculpted OEM profile keycaps, meaning each key row is shaped differently for a unique typing feel. On top of that, these are high-quality PBT double-shot keycaps. So each individual keycap is created using MISTEL's special 2-shot molding process, which makes the keycaps more durable and stable. Plus, it ensures that the legends won't fade. Yet another notable feature of the MISTEL X-VIII is its support for programmable macros and key remappings. This means that almost all keys can be flexibly adjusted to your needs, regardless of whether you're a gamer, programmer, or simply a frequent typist. You can program the keys directly on the keyboard by activating the correct one of 4 dip switches on the bottom, which activate different modes. This also includes switching to the macOS key layout, for example. The other features include a polling rate of 1000 Hz and N-key rollover. Also included are a keycap puller, spare keycaps, a dust cover, the USB-C cable, and a really neat switch tester, in our case with our clicky MX Blue switch. The MISTEL X-VIII is offered with many different MX switches, such as MX Brown, Blue, Black, or even Silent Red. But this model here is equipped with MX Clear, which are most comparable to our MX Brown, meaning they have a tactile switching characteristic with no audible click. But the Clear offers a more noticeable tactile switching point. Plus, the actuation force is a bit higher at 65 cm compared to 55 cm for MX Brown. But listen for yourself how typing on the MISTEL X-VIII sounds with our MX Clear. That's it for the introduction of the MISTEL X-VIII with our MX Clear switches. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below and we'll try to answer all of them. More information about the keyboard itself and our MX switches can be found in the description. So thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time. Take care, folks.